Okay, the first step in our PAL strategy is the P. So I have created this video to help you understand how do you pee. And if you snickered a little bit, it's okay. But I wanted your attentions to be caught, and I think I did with that title. So this is a video, how do you pee? So when you think of pee, I know you're thinking, P, pull apart the prompt. But why? Why do we need to do that? Why is it important for us to pull apart the prompt? And what is a prompt? So I want to tell you first what's a prompt, and then secondly, we're going to break that into some steps, okay? So a prompt is a word that simply means a question. So when you think of prompt, I want you to think of question or questions. But why do we not use the word question? Well, that's because sometimes it may ask us more than one question in our little prompt or our little directions, right? So sometimes it may ask us more than one question, right? And sometimes it may ask us to do something that's not a question. So I just want you to think prompt like a question and understand that there's different parts, or there could be different parts that you need to know and realize before you're able to write, because you don't want to be writing about flamingos when your prompt is about tigers, right? So you want to make sure that you know what you're writing about and what exactly they're asking you to write about. So it's important for us to pull apart the prompt first. That way I understand that I'm only writing about the thing that I need to write about and not waste my time writing about something else, okay? So let's go. Let's go to that next slide. So how do you pee? Well, first, you got to read your prompt. You got to read it. Because if you don't read it, you don't even know what to pull apart, right? Or to break down or to figure out what is what. So that's the first thing we need to do is to read it. The second thing we need to do is box the power verb. So we're actually going to find the power verb inside of our prompt or question and put a box around it. Well, what's a power verb? So glad you asked. A power verb is something that you might have seen before. If you've seen these words before, explain, describe, analyze, those are power verbs. So those are the words that you're looking for, and you're going to put a box around that power verb. Now, the part 3 is to circle the type of writing. Well, your prompt, within that prompt, you should have either the words informative, opinion, or narrative. So we're only focusing on opinion right now. So I want you to see if you can find the word opinion in your prompt. And if you do, I want you to circle it. If you see the informative, circle it. But right now it's just opinion, so we're going to circle the opinion. Next slide is we're going to underline the topic. Well, what is the topic? What am I writing about? What am I being asked to write about? That's what you're going to underline. Flamingos? Are you going to be asked about tigers? Are you going to be asked about bananas or cell phones? What are you being asked to write about? That's what you're going to underline. Lastly, you're going to see if there's the word and. If you notice that the word and is inside your prompt, that means typically that the person who is asking you the question or wanting you to answer with a written response is wanting you to answer two different things. And that's important to circle the word and to make sure that we answer both of those things that they're asking us to do. So those steps are going to be how you pull apart a prompt, okay? So hopefully that helps you walk you through exactly what you need to do in order to pull apart the prompt. So next time when you're seeing a prompt, you're not looking at it and being like,